Okay, let's continue with practice 14, number 1. So the question asking if the average of the a is negative a and negative 5 is 10. The a is 1. So you just add them up and divide by 2. A plus negative 5 is a minus 5 over 2 equal to 10. So equal to a equal to 10 times 2 plus 5, which is 25. The answer is A. Number 2, define the average of 6 consecutive integers. They said the average of 6 consecutive integers is 18.5. Consecutive is the keyword. And this means that they increase by the same number, same amount. So what is the average of the first of this number? So 6 numbers, if I do like normal student, we do like 6, a number divided by x divided by 6 equal to 18.5. So they will find the total and then find the numbers. Right? So if you don't do this, or then they do x plus 1 plus x plus 2 and then divide by 6 equal to 18.5. So what we can do here is, you don't need to draw this one in the future, but I know that if there are 6 digits, and in the middle, right in the middle is the average, which is your median in consecutive number. This is 18.5. So this is 18.5, this is 18. The first 5 numbers. So this is the first 5. First 5, the average of first 5 is right in the middle, so it's also 18. Yeah, so technically this is 19 actually. Alright, so the answer is E. Alright, number 3. Series number 3 here. They said what is the average mean? Average is all the mean average weight of the 5 people whose weight are listed above. The average of this. So you notice that they're all in the 150 somethings. So technically we can do something really simple. We can assume the weight is 150. This is 3 more than this, 4 more than this, 7 more than this, and 1 more than this. So it's 10, 15 more than the 50. This is my assumptions. Assume average. So because it's 15 more than 150, so you share by 5 people plus 15 over 5. Also 15 over 5 people. So this 3, 150 plus 3 is 153, the average. Number 4. They want to find the positive difference between the mode and the median. So in this case, you have to arrange them. The smallest come 2.5, then 2.75, then 3, then 3.25, and 3.25. The median is 3, the mode is 3.25. The difference should be 25 cents. Number 5. They say average of the 6 number is 6, and if 3 subtracted from 4, each of the 4 of the number, what is the new average? So we take away 3 from 4. So technically you can just say 6 times 6 is 36. Minus 3 times 4 is 12. The new average, because you still have divided by 6. So it's 24 divided by 6, which is 4. Number 6. So the average of n plus 1 is n plus 1, n plus 2, and n plus 3. So average is, you see this increased by 1. So average is right in the middle of n plus 1 and n plus 2. So you don't need to do the sum and divide. So just like see if they're consecutive. So it's in between. So it's n plus 1.5. Number 7. The average of 2 numbers is 3n minus 4. One of the numbers is n. So the 2 number, the average is 3n minus 4. So it's 2n plus x over 2 equal to 3n minus 4, which is 2 times 3n minus 4. So x equal to, this one move over, so you have 6n minus 8 minus n. So you will have 5n minus 8 as the answer. The answer is C. Number 8. They want to find the average. They tell you the average of this thing, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 is 0. The average is 0. So which means if the average is 0, that means the sum is also equal to 0. So 1, 2, 3x plus 4, 2, 6, which is 12, equal to 0. So 3x equal to negative 12. So x must obviously is negative 4. The answer is A. Number 9. Class is 12 boys and 18 girls. The class average is 90. So the boys average is 87. So the total score is the number of boys times the average, which is total score for the boys. And also the girls times their average, which is what you want to find, is the total score of the girls. is also equal to the average of the whole class times the total number of the students. So you can say 12 times 87, which is the total score of the boys, plus 18 times x, which is the total score of the girls, equal to 12 plus 18, because this is the average of the total. 30 times 90. Okay, that's how we set it up. So in this case, we can simplify it by dividing everything by 6. You got 2. 2 times 87. 6 equal 3 plus x, 3x. Divided by 6. You got 5 times 90. I can continue divide by 3. Divide this by 3 equal 29. So 2 times 29 plus x plus 5 times 30, which is 150. So x equal to 150 minus 58 in this case. So really obvious. 150 minus 50, you got 100. 100 minus extra 8 more is 92. So that's is C. Number 10. Alright, they want to find out what is the average daily attendance per theater among the remaining theaters. So among the remaining, so you have 15 movie theaters, average 600 per theater, 6 closes, but the people the attendance stay the same. So in this case, you have 15 theaters times 600 is the total number of people, customer per theater. So this is total number, and because of 6 closes, you have 9 more still go on. So the average of each one is 15 times 600 over 9. So technically, I don't want to multiply first. I know that this is 1,000, but I can simplify by divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. 5 times 200 is 1,000. Right, number 11. The average of 6 positive number is 5. The average of the least and the greatest is 7. What is the average of the 4? So, average of the 4 is equal to total of the 4 divided by 4. So total of the 4 is very easy, because the original is 6 times 5 total. Take away the 2, 2 times 7 over 4. So you got 30 minus 14, which is 16 over 4. Right, 6 times 5 minus 2 times 7. 6 average 5, 2 average 7. 4 left. So you got 4 here.